The summertime coronavirus caseload, which may have peaked in the U.S., but it's nowhere near over. This morning, hospitalizations are increasing in 15 states. Over the last 7 days, 5 states have reported record numbers of deaths. All this as schools and colleges across the country struggle with their reopening plans. Here in New York City, Columbia University now deciding to go completely remote learning for the fall semester. ABC's Trevor Ault is there with more. Good morning to you, Trevor.
Good morning, Eva. America's education systems are really in flux. Every day from every corner of the country, there are new announcements like Columbia's, canceling in-person learning, postponing sports, and that's as some schools who have reopened fight sprouting outbreaks.
Across the country this morning, some schools are fighting desperately to plan around the pandemic, and others are reacting as the virus hits home. At Oklahoma State University, sorority Pi Beta Phi's off-campus chapter house is now under quarantine, with 23 people there testing positive for COVID-19.
This is a tough time, and there is no denying that.
An Oklahoma school district says 25 students are in quarantine because 2 students at separate high schools went to class after testing positive. Teachers there now begging the district to move to virtual learning.
My choice right now is risking orphaning my 3 children I currently have, risking my unborn child, risking my husband's life to teach other people's children.
In Arizona, one district outside Phoenix has already canceled its first day of school after more than 100 teachers and staff refused to come in. At Ohio State University, messages telling 500 students they had a 3-hour window to get tested led to these testing sites flooded with people with no social distancing in some areas. The university says students were aware of batch testing plans, and that lack of social distancing happened when everyone ran inside because of a thunderstorm. A new COVID-19 test from Yale is hoping to help with these kinds of problems. Their saliva swab test just received emergency FDA authorization. It's designed to be cheaper and faster, though saliva-based tests are still not proven to be as accurate as a nasal swab. At the University of Oklahoma, 9 football players have tested positive after returning from a week off. The Sooners are still planning on playing this season, though many teams are not.
We enter into the sports season without any planning. I think a lot of people hope that the pandemic would be over by now, and it's not.
And in the face of this historic uncertainty, students like Nebraska-Omaha freshman Shayla Fox are trying to opt for optimism.
I'm a little concerned that, the semester is going to end early again, but I'm excited that maybe next semester, at worst next year, it'll be normal again.
And the CDC says cases among children are steadily on the rise. They say they still don't know for sure if children transmit the virus at the same rate that adults do. But make no mistake, children can spread COVID-19 in households and camp settings. Whit.
Important information as the school year gets underway. Trevor Ault for us. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.